Hello, Bloomy, dear kids, children, students, learners, and friends. You are most welcome to this channel. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bharadwaj with the sound of vowels. A-E-I-O-U. These are vowels of English alphabet. And I. Now, I vowel letter has been taken by me here. In these words written on the board, in these words, I to be pronounced as, I is pronounced as I, I letter here, vowel letter I, and it is to be pronounced, it is pronounced as I sound symbol it is, I, okay? So let us enjoy, let us learn and enjoy this sound system. Example, K-I-T-E, kite. I, you see here, you find I, K-I-T-E, kite, B-I-T-E, bite, S-I-T-E, sight, I sound, I gives I sound. I vowel letter now gives I sound, symbol of I, okay, sound, symbol of this I letter is I. So here you see I, kite, bite, and sight, I as I. M-I-C-E, mice, D-I-C-E, dice, R-I-C-E, rice, P-I-N-E, pine, and P-I-N-E, pine, D-I-N-E, dine, I. F-I-N-E, fine, R-I-D-E, right, I. W-R-I-D-E, white, okay. S-I-D-E, side, I you find here I. T-I-E, tie, L-I-E, lie, P-I-E, pie, I. In every word you see I is pronounced as I here sound symbol, right? There you may learn so many other words very equal and parallel to these words, pronouncing like so many words you may find in your textbook. From your textbook you may now enlist many words in which now I to be pronounced as I. Okay, dear, you are wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks a lot.